Hello, power users. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the user type field for Elementor, which will let us select website users directly from Elementor Forms. This is what our simple demonstration form looks like. We're using the user type field along with Select To for this one. Watch the Select To tutorial by following the link in the description. As you can see, we have a list of users here, Gloo and Mary Lou. We can choose one or both and remove either or both. This is very useful if we're using Gloo's front-end post-submission or user editing, because we'll be able to use their ID by simply selecting the user we want. To get started, simply toggle on User Type field in the Gloo settings dashboard. We've also toggled on Select To for this one, as we saw. With that done, the setup for the field proper is as straightforward as it gets. Simply select the User Type field from the Field Type menu. We can choose between the radio output, checkbox output, or select. We can also use the Select output without the Select To option by toggling off Select To in the Advanced tab. Now, to select both users, we'll have to shift-click instead of just clicking, as that's the native Elementor multiple selection. Back in the settings, we have further options. The role of the users we want to display, for example, subscribers only, and we can exclude or include users by their specific IDs. Let's remove this ID from the Exclude field, and we'll see we'll have another user in the field. So now we're able to see all of the users we have in the back end, but directly from the front end. We also have an option to order the users in the field by ID, name, username, post count, date of registration, and email. Sort by ascending or descending order. Here, again, we can include or exclude users by IDs. And as you can see here, only John Doe will appear if we paste his ID in the Include field. Multiple selection is toggled on so that it works with the Select To option. That's the User Type field by Gloo. You can try it out yourself at demo.gloo.ooo. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.